The story started when Baldo met his older brother and his wife, Maria, at the edge of Nagreb Khan. Catherine drove them with a kalesa from the You may scratch his forehead now. Maria hesitantly touched Labang's head and scratched it daintily. Dayan faced the Casaline. Baldo heard his brother called Maria by her name. Maria! For Baldo, the name Maria will also be how they will call her. Not Maring, not Mayang. But Baldo is quite confused about how Maria answered Dayan by the name Noah. Suddenly, Labang made a sound that made Maria amazed. Why does it sound like that? There is no other like it. It's the only boy who does that sound. If you continue to talk to him like that, either I should fall in love with him or become greatly jealous. Upon their journey, Leon was wondering why Baldo bring them to the Waig instead of the Camino Real. It was Father Manong. It was Tatang Manong. But a father told me to drive to the Waig instead of the Camino Real. First differs a lot from the city where she lived in. But it seems like Maria likes Leon's province. Look, there's our star swan. Do you remember how I could tell you if you want to see the stars you must come to Nagreb Khan?
Yes, Noel, look at it. It's so many times bigger and brighter. And it was in Ermita Beach.
When it was already dark, Baldo lighted the lamp, and Leon suddenly sang a song.
How are we far to go yet, Noel?
Soon we will get out of the Waig. After the field is our home Camino Real curves around.
Then I asked Father why we drove to the Waig instead of the Camino Real. Noel, do you think he will like me?
Does that worry you, Maria? Don't worry, the father is the most gentlest man I know. While continuing their journey, Maria is worried if Malayon's father and family could like her. Then when they got home, mother is standing in the doorway, smiling shyly.
Where is Tatang Nanang?
He is after.
Father is in his room smoking his tobacco in the window. He talked to Baldo, asking what happened during their travel. Did you meet anybody on the way? No, Father. No one passes to the Waig at night. She is very beautiful, Father. Was she afraid of Rabang? No, Father. She was not afraid. And Manong Leon even sang. Sky shone in the sky, Father. She sang with him. Father is silent again. Baldo could hear the low voices of Mother and her sister Aurora downstairs. While Baldo and Father were in the dark and smoky room, the door opened, and Dayan and Maria came in the room. So Father suddenly changed the topic to let Labang drink water.